I will not take 2 minutes. I'm a politician. Politicians ply their trade by words. Let me start by thanking all of you, members of ACF and the leadership of ACF, for the honor and privilege of inviting me, and the honor of even recognizing my relationship with you, and say to you that whatever I have done in the North, I did as a minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. It includes the Kano Kaduna Rail, the Kano Maradi Rail, and the completion of the Abuja Kaduna Rail. It includes the establishment of the Investor of Transport in Daura, and to say it was done because I felt there was a need to establish those things. We are a nation. While preaching unity in northern Nigeria, please let us also preach unity in the whole of Nigeria. The problem with Nigeria is injustice. The justice that is being served in Abuja must be served in the Igbo land, southeast, must also be served in the north, as well as the southwest, and as well as the south-south. Those who have accused the president of being nepotistic are not being fair to him. He's not nepotistic. Yorubas are not enjoying this government. Very few individuals are enjoying this government, and the rest of us are suffering. The rest of us are dying of hunger. Nigerians are dying of hunger. The government has panicked. They've closed schools. There are 20 million Nigerians who are out of school. Instead of addressing it, we are closing schools to increase the number of Nigerians who are out of school. In that number, more than 60% of those who are out of school are northerners. And the Nigerian government are not worried. I mean, it's not worried about it at all. We are not worried about it. The more we deny Nigerians their economic rights, the more they will establish for themselves non-economic rights. And what do I mean by non-economic rights? Those rights that includes kidnapping. Today, the Nigerian government is not able to protect anybody. Nobody. So, for me, I thank AREWA, and I think that AREWA should go a bit further to negotiate with other Nigerians to come together to address what is currently happening in the country. I thank all of you. God bless all of you.